Hello everyone, this is Adit back again with another video. So in this video, we are going to learn about some of the JavaScript libraries that can help us to build maps in our web page. And there are some of them are paid and some of them are open source as well. Basically, we are just going to discuss about two or three of them, and we will also see how to implement one of the open source map that we can use in our applications. So let's get started now. So as per map is concerned, that there are like I'm have to find like two or three maps. So basically, one of the maps library that we can use is using this Google Maps, and but this is paid one because you need to get the Google Map API key. I think yeah. So I think we need to get the API key to use it. So this one is one of them, and there are others as well. Like I have to find this one. Uh, I haven't used it, but maybe it's free, maybe it's not free. I need to check on that. Or it seems like it's a free, but not free because it is also asking for an API key. So it's not, I think. Uh, Even it is giving some of the request free, then it is definitely going to ask for some, like to get more requests, it is definitely going to ask some money. Um, and there is one that I really like because that one is the freely available and it's open source JavaScript library for mobile friendly interactive maps. So basically, we are just going to implement this in our JavaScript project, and it is just a simple project. We are just going to get the longitude and latitude of the user from their browser, and by using navigation API, and then we're just going to display that particular address on our map, right? So let's get started now. And before we start, please do consider subscribing this channel, and you can hit the bell icon over there, right? So now let's get started. So first of all, let me just close these two. We are not going to use these two, and we are having this leaflet, and then over here we're just going to create three files as usual. Like we're just going to have index.html, and we are also going to have styles.css. We are we might not put anything inside the style created script.js, and inside the index.html we are just going to write our HTML5 and map, name it map. And then what we need to do is like let's just have a div with an ID of map, and we are just going to render our map on this div. So all these other things that we are going to do is we are going to do it in our JavaScript file. So to install this leaflet, what we can do is let's just go to the docs or download. I think use this example. Go to overview, uh, and here we can find some CDN. I'm not able to grab that. Okay. So I'm not going to download it. I'm just going to use the CDN. And over here, we can find these two, the latest stable CDNs that we have. We can just integrate it in our application as well. So let's just move it over here. And inside index.html, we're just going to put it over here. And we also need to like add our own script that we have just created. And I'm just going to put this script at the bottom of these two script, leaflet script and style sheet. Let's just put it over here so that these two gets loaded first, and after that we are just going to put the last one. And we can also put a differ that it will be loaded at the end, and we're just going to save it. And now if you just go to the documentation over here, what we need to do is go to leaflet quick guide. So here it is. All we need to do is like we can have a map with a height of like 180 pixels. Over here it is saying 180 pixels. So let's just edit and add the styles. We haven't linked our styles as well, so let's just do that first. And I'm just going to put the styles over here. Link.css. Okay, and then I just save it. And inside the script, what we need to do is let's just grab this var map view. Let's just put it over here. And these are the default coordinates that we are have to see as of now, like these 51.50, and these are the default coordinate. We will see where this is going to display. And then we are just going to have this tile layer as well. And this shows the zoom capacity, and this is the attributes. You just put it over here. Just save it. And if we just run this, start our live server, just over here, we are have to see like we are getting the map, but somehow it is not taking the whole space. Just fix that. Okay, this map is having height of 180 pixels only, so we need to increase that. So I'm just going to put it 100 vh so that it can grab the whole screen over here. You can see we are having our map. So we need to add some of the other functionalities as well. Like we want to add some pointers, like where this map is going to point out. Okay, and we need to put the coordinates according to that. So let's just do that first. And here we go. Like we are if we just put this marker at this location, we are have to get the marker as well. So now what I'm trying to do is like I'm just going to get the location of the user. So to get the location of the user, what we need to do is like we are going to use the navigator. And if you just go to the documentation of navigator, geolocation, and inside this documentation, we will add to get that location as well. We're just going to get this one. Let's just do that first. Let's just use navigator dot geolocation, not wrong, geolocation dot get current position. And this is going to give us three callbacks, basically success, callback, callback error, and other things as well. So let's just have function for success. We don't need that. Just have function success location. And inside the success location, I think I will have to get the position and errors. So just have position, and add another one. We can have our error location. Going to have error, and we can just console this log for the error. In case of error, we're just going to console log. And in case of position, let's just console log and see what we are going to get. Just save it. And now if we just go to our map, it is asking for the location to get the access of the location. If we just allow it, it will give us some value. We just inspect this, and inside the geolocation, we are have to get coordinates, and these are the accuracy, longitude, and latitude. So basically, from the coordinates, we are going to grab the longitude and latitude. So let's just do that first. Const position dot plots, and we are just going to have latitude, 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 = 2 + 2 longitude. Okay. And then we're just going to pass this longitude, latitude inside this map. And I think this one is the latitude, right? Go through the documentation once more. First argument is the latitude or longitude. I think it's the latitude. And second one is the longitude. Latitude pass the longitude as well. Just save it. Let's see where this. Okay, where this is. I have to get the get my current location. Anyway, but let's just have it latitude and longitude over here as well. We just refresh it. So this is basically taking some time because we are using CDNs and my internet not not that stable. That's the reason it is taking some time. Or I think we are having some error. We are not having any error, but it is just my internet is a bit slow, and that's the reason it is not okay. So this is app to get the location. Okay, and now we can add additional features as well, like we can have some other things inside our map. And there are like options to add different types of map as well, URL template and stuff. I think there is one option that we can use, a different one. Actually remember, but we can just have for it. This one is to display the pop-ups. We can also display the pop-ups on a certain screen. So this is it for this video. Basically, in this video, I just wanted to introduce this leaflet library so that you can use it in your own project. And in the next upcoming videos in this series, I'm going to develop a full-fledged application on this. And yeah, so this is it for this video. If you like the video, consider subscribing, and thank you for watching. Do subscribe with the channel and hit the bell icon as well.